Welcome learners. The name of the course is India and the World. In this course, you will be able to learn from the videos what is the world and how is it connected with India. You might have read and seen on the TV news channel that America has a new president. You might have also come across that there was a military coup in Myanmar few days back. Why did it happen? And how is it connected with the India? The best example of understanding the world politics and pandemic of 2020. It was so surprising that complete world has come to an halt. There was complete lockdown, not merely in Delhi, Mumbai, but it was in Paris, London, New York, Washington, African countries, each and every cities of the world were locked down. Why did it happen so? Has the world become so connected to each other? And if it is so, then what are its implications? So these are the very interesting unfolding stories. So what I would be doing as the instructor of this course, I would like to bring the best possible brain teacher from the different parts of the countries and universities and possibly from the world as well to narrate the happenings around the world, not merely in India, not merely in the subcontinent, but all over the world. And how is it connected with the Indian politics? How it is connected with the Indian foreign policy? How does India see the world? And how does the world perceives India? What are the international bodies like WTO, IMF, United Nations, Security Council? So these are very important and interesting fields. It will help you in any of the examinations. If you appear for any competitive examinations or you are appearing in any interview, that will help you to understand and express yourself. So in going through the different videos which will be collected, which the lectures will be delivered by the experts, university professor from Delhi University, JNU, Jamia, and many other parts of the countries, from media personalities whom we have been watching on the TV channels, whom we have been reading their write-ups in the newspaper, will prepare you, will help you about knowing the world and its connectivity with India. Thank you.